Hi guys, I'm happy coming your way again with a very simple hormonal smoothie. Okay, but before then, I would like to say a very big thank you to God and to all my returned subscribers. And if you are a new viewer on this channel, don't forget to like, share, that's if it's possible, share, comment, let me know you came, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, leave a comment for me. I want to know you are here. Thank you very much. All right, so this is a very brief and a quick one. The ingredients on this recipe is blueberry, banana, dates, cashew butter, unsweetened almond milk, and chia seeds. Very simple one. So quickly, I want to rush into the explanation of this and to let you know how helpful is it for you. And blackberries are rich in minerals, vitamins, and fiber. It's loaded with antioxidants, which helps fight diseases. It's good for your skin because it contains zinc and iron, and it also has anti-aging properties. Aids in weight loss, and it's good for your heart and brain health. It has vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, which helps you to build a strong bone. Berries are packed with hormone balance and nutrients. And to talk about bananas, they are a great source of potassium. It has vitamin C. They makes you feel happy, especially during that bad time of the month. It has folate, and this helps fight depression by releasing serotonin. Helps you also to reduce stress and burn belly fat, makes you feel full and more. And to talk about chia seeds, it contains omega-3 fatty acid and also rich in fiber. They have zinc, vitamin B3, B1, B6. They are also gluten-free, and they also have hormonal benefits. Okay, it's very, very good for you if you have any problem with hormones. So it helps stabilize blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, and easy and ease metabolism syndrome symptoms. Okay, so if you have any hormonal issues, try to avoid foods which are high in salt like cheese and all those kind of food. Get enough rest, eat well, and don't stress too much. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. If you are having any challenges with menstrual cycle, anything, go ahead and take this juice. It's going to be very helpful. So until I come your way again next time, it's bye bye.